Hey everybody, Jeff for Shedhub. Hey, I just got this box from Hangthis Up. They make hooks for sheds, and it's a little bit of a surprise as to what they sent me. So come with me and let's go open it up. All right, so we got a lot of neat stuff here from Hangthis Up. Let's go through what some of this is. So this is called a garden tool organizer. It's used to hold shovels and other garden tools. We got a shed shelf bracket. This will take a shelf up to 12 inches wide. This is a miscellaneous organizer hook. Lots of different uses for this. This is called a storage organizer. This is used to, you spread these apart and you can hold really wide things like piping and things like that. This here is a hose organizer. And this bigger one here is called a universal garden tool organizer. Also, you got lots of these screws and a size 2 square bit, which we'll need for these screws. So it all came in the package. Let's get started hanging some of these. All right, so one of the first things we want to do is prep these hooks for mounting on 2x4s. And you'll notice that all of these have little starter holes for the ideal spot to put your screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out the size 2 square bit. I'm going to put it in my power drill, and I've got it at about the 1 setting so that it doesn't torque too much while I'm starting these. Just take one of these, set it in one of the holes, and just gently rest it in there. It's all set to screw into a 2x4. So I'm going to do a bunch of these so that it's easier later on. Those starter holes make it so easy. All right, we've got a whole bunch of Hangthis Up organizing system hooks ready to go to mount onto 2x4s. All right, now comes the fun part where we actually get to hang some of these hooks. One of the things I like best about the Hangthis Up system is this flat edge on the top of the wooden hooks. That makes it really easy to use this top 2x4 as your guide. You just push it up flat, and you know it's already level and flush, and just screw it in. There we are. That hook is already good to go. I can put 2 more screws in just for extra security, but otherwise that one's good. I'll do another one here. This is a utility hook. I'll just, this looks like a good spot. Now, if I want to get my other hooks at the same level as this, one of the easiest things to do is just to measure down from the top. All right, so I've got that. And now I can just go to my next, measure down to the same spot. I'll use my little marking crayon That'll mark the top of the next hook. And now, the next hook can go in. I just raise it up to that same mark that I just made. Now I've got two hooks that are perfectly level with each other. There you go. These hooks mount super quickly. Go check out the Hang This Up tool organizing system. It's made just for sheds. Go check it out at our link here. Thank you.